Hello everyone. Today I will explain for class 10th exercise 3.3 question number 3, 5th and 6th part. And if you want to check first, second, third and fourth part, you can check the previous video to understand this. Now I'm reading the statement. If fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. If 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6 and you have to find the fraction. First of all, we will assume the numerator and denominator by x and y. Let the numerator is x. Let the numerator is x and the denominator is y. What will be the fraction? Fraction is numerator by denominator means x upon y. Now first condition, if fraction becomes 9 by 11, if 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator, means if I add 2 with numerator and 2 with denominator and fraction becomes 9 by 11. Now cross multiply this 11 multiply by this y plus 2 multiply by 9, 11 x plus 2 and 9 y plus 2. I will write here. Now 11 multiply x, 11x, 11 multiply 2, 22, 9y and 9 multiply 2, 18. Now 11x minus 9y, 18 minus 22. 11x minus 9y equal to minus 4, that is our equation number 1. Now we will calculate the equation number 2. And what is the condition? If 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. If I add in fraction is x upon y, now we have to add 3 according to question. X plus 3, y plus 3. Our fraction becomes 5 by 6. Again cross multiplication. 6 x plus 3, 5 into y plus 3. 6x plus 18, 5y plus 15. 6x, this 5y come here, negative sign, and 15 minus 18. 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3, that is equation number 2. Now I am rubbing this. First and second equation what we have made, I have written here, and numerator is x, denominator y, fraction xy we have written here. Now this equation 1 we will convert in the value of x because we have to substitute the value of x. First equation is 11x minus 9y equal to minus 4. 11x is equal to minus 4. This minus 9y come here, it will be positive, minus 9y. And x value will be minus 4 upon 9y plus 9y upon 11. This 11 is multiplied here, it will become here and will be divided. Now this x value we will substitute in second equation. 6x minus 5y equal to minus 3 and 6x value minus 4 plus 9y by 11 minus 5y equal to minus 3. This 6 multiplied by minus 4, minus 24. 6 9 ja 54y by 11 minus 5y. As a denominator nothing is there, you can write 1 and minus 3 upon 1. Now I will take 11 as a whole LCM. Minus 24 plus 54y. Now our LCM is 11. 11 divided by 1, 11. 11 multiply 5 minus 55y. And here 1 as a denominator. 11 divided by 1, 11, and 11 multiply by minus 3 minus 33. Because we have taken whole LCM, this 11 will be removed. Now I will write minus 24 plus 54y minus 55y equal minus 33. 54y minus 55y. One sign is positive, one is negative, and like terms we can add and subtract. Negative sign is greater, minus y will come. Minus 33. This minus 24 come here in right hand side and change the sign positive. Minus y. Minus 9, and minus will cut down, y value will be 9. Now we will calculate x value. X is minus 4 plus 9y upon 11. X will be minus 4 plus 9 multiply 9. Y value is 9 upon 11. X will be minus 4 plus 9 9s are 81 by 11. And then 77 by 11. X value will be 7. What is our fraction? Our fraction is x upon y. Value of x is 7 and our denominator y value is 9. Our fraction is 7 by 9. That is your answer. Now next. Now sixth part. 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be the 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are the present age? Let the present age of Jacob let the present age of Jacob x years, and the present age of son y years. What he is saying, 5 years hence. 5 years hence Jacob age will be 5 years increase. After 5 years, age of Jacob x plus 5 years. After 5 years, age of his son y plus 5 years. Now again I am reading the statement. 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times. After 5 years he will be 3 times of the son. Means Jacob age will be 3 times of his son. X plus 5 will be 3 times y plus 5. X plus 5, 3y, and 3 multiply 5, 15. X, this 3y will be minus 3y, 15 minus 5. X minus 3y equal to 10, that is equation number 1. Now, second, 5 years ago. 5 years ago, their age will be decreased by 5. 5 years ago, 5 years less. Jacob age will before 5 years, x minus 5, and his son y minus 5 before 5 years. 5 years ago, Jacob age will be 7 times, means this Jacob age will be 7 times of his son. According to question, x minus 5 will be 7 times. Now, x minus 5, 7y minus 35. X minus 7y, because 7y right side it come in left hand side, sign will be changed, minus 35, and this minus 5 will be positive. X minus 7y will be minus 30. That will be equation number 2. Now we will solve. Equation 1 and 2 I have written here, and their present age I have written here. Now equation 1, we will calculate the value of x and we will substitute this value in equation second. First equation we will write x minus 3y equal to 10. X is 10 plus 3y. That value we will substitute in second equation. X minus 7y equal to minus 30. In place of x write 10 plus 3y minus 7y minus 30. 3 positive and 7 negative, minus 4y equal to minus 30. Minus 4y minus 30, this 10 is positive here, it will become here and negative, and it will be minus 4y minus 40. Minus and minus will be cancelled. Y will be 40 upon 4 and y will be 10 years. Now we will calculate the value of x. X is 10 plus 3y. Y value is our 10 plus 3 multiplied 10. X will be 10 plus 30. X will be 40. Now Jacob age is, age of Jacob, x years. X is 40. 40 years is age of Jacob, and his son is, present age of son, y years. And what is the value of y? 10. And 10 years present age of his son, and present age of Jacob is 40 and son is 10 years. Hope you understood, and thanks for watching.